When you're preparing to return to work after a break, delays or setbacks can feel especially discouraging. In this video, we will talk about resilience strategies. The first is to accept that this is a journey. We are all used to working towards an event, a test, a viva, an interview. This is different. It is not a 100-meter sprint. This is a marathon, and you're not competing with anyone else for how quickly you can do it. The only mantra is, I invest time in my growth every day. Present tense, not future tense. But some days, it may not be possible. Maybe you have house guests or a wedding in the family. Get back to your learning program at the earliest. Rewind and revise the material you have already studied to re-establish context and refresh your memory. Remember, you're doing this because you want to do it. Be compassionate with yourself. If a friend was describing this situation to you, how would you respond to encourage her? Be your own best friend. indePenn's networking and mentoring program is designed to provide returning women with a supportive community of professionals who offer guidance, advice, and connections. Hurry up! Sign up at indePenn.com and empower yourself as you embark on this energizing journey back to work. That's all for today, folks. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more information like this. Until next time, take care.